Do you usually feel tired even after a full night's sleep? I'll tell you why, and I'll take you through how to fix it starting from today. Hi, I'm PharmacistExplains, elected pharmacist, and welcome to Wellness with PharmacistExplains, where we share simple and practical tips on how to stay healthy and live life as its best. If these are the kind of things you love to watch, please smash the subscribe button and join the wellness family. I would love to be your wellness guide. So I will take you through 5 reasons why you usually feel tired even after long hours of sleep. Number 1 is poor quality of sleep. Usually, what causes this poor quality of sleep is noise around your sleeping area, poor sleeping routine. But the major cause of this is screen time. Your phone, your laptop, your tablets, they emit blue light. And this blue light, they disrupt the sleeping hormone in your brain called melatonin. So it keeps giving your brain signals that it's still daytime. That is why when you're on your phone, you find it difficult to sleep. Also, what you watch on your phone also affects your sleep. For example, if you're watching news, tragic incidents, or perfect lives on social media, it will trigger comparison, and those things stresses your brain. So when you sleep, you end up sleeping light most hours of the night instead of sleeping deeply, because it is deep sleep that causes regeneration of the brain, and that is when your body actually rests. So if throughout the night you just find a little time to sleep deeply, you probably wake up tired. How to fix this is 30 minutes to 1 hour before you sleep, put your phone away and ruminate over the things you are grateful for 30 to 60 minutes before you sleep, and then you sleep to avoid interaction with blue lights and all. Second on my list is poor hydration. If you do not drink enough water, you will always feel tired. So the easy fix for this is drink more water. Again, in my other video, I talked about the importance of drinking plenty of water as much as possible. The benefits of water can never be overemphasized, and it is not exhaustible. If you do not drink enough water, you will definitely be tired. Number 3 on my list is eating food high in sugar. High sugar containing foods like junks, soda, and deep fries, they actually trigger oxidative stress in your system, and this oxidative stress always make you tired. So if you are fond of eating junk food, drinking soda, drinking alcohol, all those kind of food will always make you tired. How to fix this is to always try to eat healthy. Eat food that are rich in proteins, fibers, iron, because this kind of food keep you energized all through the day, so you stop feeling tired. My 4th reason is iron deficiency or anemia. If you do not have enough iron in your system or you are anemic, that means your blood level is not optimal. You may feel tired, and it usually happens to ladies immediately after the menstruation period. There's always this feeling of tiredness. It's just because of iron deficiency and anemia. How to fix this is try to eat food that are rich in iron, food like beef, especially the liver part of beef. It is very rich in iron. Turkey and chicken also contain iron, but in small quantity. Beans is rich in iron. Unripe plantain, even spinach, pumpkins, ugu leaves, those are very rich in iron. You can add that to your diet and boost your iron level. You can also go for iron supplements, but before you take any supplement, always talk to a doctor or a pharmacist before you start. Number 5 on my list is stress. Most times when you are stressed, you are always tired. So the quick fix to this is stay away from whatever that is stressing you. Take breaks from work or whatever that is causing your stress. Pray, meditate, and talk to someone if possible. Those are the easy ways to manage stress. A quick bonus tip before we go. If you have been feeling tired for a very long time without knowing why, you need to see a doctor as soon as possible, because it may be a more serious issue like thyroid issues, chronic fatigue, even infection. So quickly see a doctor to ascertain that and get yourself treated. So with these 5 tips, you have seen that always being tired is not all about laziness. It can be as a result of poor sleep quality, poor hydration, not eating well, stress, and all of that. So make a small change starting from today, and you will see the difference. You can let me know in the comment section which change you are making today. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and like this video and share this video to somebody that is always tired. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.